Hi, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Ram, where we make the learning easy, fun and mistake free. Today we are going to learn 10 common mistakes that even the fluent speakers make and how you can avoid them. Please stay tuned till last because mistake number 10 I bet you made without even realizing. Our first sentence is, I will return back your book tomorrow. Here, back is unnecessary use because return already means giving back. I will return your book tomorrow. Sentence number 2. I didn't knew about it. I didn't know about it because two past forms don't go together. Another way to remember is that always first form of the verb is used after did or did not. Third sentence, he is more better than me. He is better than me because more and better both are comparative degrees and don't go together. Next, she is married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor because preposition to is used with marry, not with. Next, he is working in this company since 5 years. He is working in this company for 5 years because since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. Next, he is very genius. He is a genius or he is a very intelligent because genius is a noun and very is an adverb, and adverb qualifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. That's why he is a genius is right here. Next, I came to the office by work. I came to the office on foot because by is used with mode of transport, by bus, by car, by bicycle, by bike, etc. Not by foot. These informations are important. The right sentence is, this information is important because informations don't come in like in packets like biscuits. This information is correct here. I have visited the Taj Mahal last year. I visited the Taj Mahal last year. If you ask me when, the answer will be use simple past tense. Another way is that if you found the word last, previous, yesterday in a sentence, then use simple past tense. And the last sentence, that's very important. I have a good news for you. I have good news for you because news is an uncountable noun and we don't add a or n with uncountable nouns. If you want to count it, then you may say, I have a piece of news for you. So that's enough for the day. If you like the video, please don't revert. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.